Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. NCB said it has allowed its offer for a significant stake in Guardian Holdings to lapse because of uncertainties surrounding a review the Trinidad and Tobago Securities and Exchange Commission is to conduct into the matter. Despite allowing the offer to lapse, NCB says it could still rekindle its interest in the future. It said it allowed the offer to lapse because it was uncertain how long the review will take. The financial group made an offer in December to purchase 74 million Guardian shares to increase its stake in Guardian Holdings from 29.9% to 62%. It has, however, since faced opposition from certain minority shareholders in Guardian's home country, Trinidad and Tobago, over the price being offered for their shares. The bank maintains that its offer was legitimate and added that even though the offer has lapsed, it would still participate in a hearing set by the Trinidad and Tobago Securities and Exchange Commission to review its offer. NCB said 535 shareholders tendered almost 92 million Guardian shares, which, if taken up, would have resulted in it owning more than 70% of Guardian. The Bank of Jamaica is taking its policy decision to a new level, adopting best practices used in advanced economies to align its own operation. The policy upgrade surrounds its decision on policy interest rates used to influence the market. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Putting the central bank in line with those in advanced economies, the Bank of Jamaica in the last 2 years has been making changes to how it conducts monetary policy. It now has a forecasting and policy assessment system, FPAS, under which it has committed
to fixing the dates in the decision-making calendar for the full year ahead.
It's a system similar to that used by the U.S. Federal Reserve. The market knows exactly when it should expect an announcement on policy rates. In Jamaica,
monetary policy decisions will be made 8 times each year.
The first date for this year was Tuesday, February 20. That's just a few days ago. The rate was cut then to a historic low of 2.75%. The next 3 dates are Tuesday, March 27, Wednesday, May 16, and Wednesday, June 27. The other 4 dates this year are Wednesday, August 28, Tuesday, October 2, Friday, November 16, and Thursday, December 20. The end result of each decision will be:
the result of each assessment is a monetary policy decision that normally will be to 1. Increase the policy rate.
The Bank of Jamaica is hoping that, like the U.S. Federal Reserve, its press briefings will then be based on the announcements of what happens to its policy rate.
These decisions are intended to guide the interest rates set by commercial banks and other financial institutions that affect the spending, investment, and saving decisions of households, firms, and farms.
The end result, a 21st century central bank with a decision-making system to influence the inflation rate and, by extension, growth in the economy. For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Thanks, Dashan. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.44. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $98.58. The pound sterling costs $177.85, while the euro is going for $159.60. Now, stocks ended mostly lower today, pulling the JSE index down 707 points, while the junior market index gained 12. Those posting gains included AMG Packaging and Paper, Blue Power, Fosrich, Jamaican Teas, Main Event Entertainment, Proven Investments, Scotia Group, and VM Investments. On the losing end were C2W Music, CAC 2000, Carreras, Epley, Iron Rock Insurance, that is, Mayberry Investments, Sagicor Group, Seprod, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.